Benefits of whey protein. Hi, I'm Kiranma, your nutritionist. Whey protein comes in a box. That doesn't mean it's not good for health. So many of my clients come and ask me if it is good for health or kidney खराब हो जाएगा क्या? But same question they never ask before using or eating processed or canned food. Consuming protein shake every day has a wide range of health benefits like muscle growth, lower blood sugar levels, and improvement of energy levels. We usually find challenging to meet our daily protein requirements as the amount of protein available in the meals we consume barely fulfill the requirement. Protein shake helps in a weight loss as well because protein helps to make you feel more full than fat and carbohydrates. The general protein intake recommendation range from 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. Protein helps to gain muscle mass because muscle mass naturally declines with age. It contains leucine which help in prevention of age-related muscle loss and improve strength. Consumption of protein may also lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. And whey protein can not only reduce inflammation risk but also reduce blood clots and help you to lead healthy life. It's helpful for the person having diabetes as whey protein is effective at moderating blood sugar levels, particularly for the people with type 2 diabetes. Whey protein reduces oxidative stress and help you to fight toxins, and it heals to burn your fat too. So let's not spread myths about whey protein. It won't kill you. नहीं तो अब तक कितने लोग मर जाते प्रोटीन लेके. So no need to worry without fear. You can have whey protein every day. However, there might be side effects if you don't take good quality protein or if you take excess protein. So always consult a nutritionist before taking whey protein because quantity differs for each and every individual. Thank you. Connect me on Healthy Fuel for further details. Namaste.